What's up? This is my 2014 fireworks stash. Let's get started. Right here, I have a bag of little sheet firecrackers and bottle rockets. Down here, I have M80 firecrackers, Black Cat, Thunder Bomb, TNT, Red Devil, Big Star, Mad Dog, M5000 jumbo crackers, and classic crackers by World Class, plus some waterproof ants M80. Next, I have two little satellite things. I think these are. I got those for the hell of it. Got some ground blown flowers. Got some X-Scale shells. 2 packs of Black Cat handful Roman candles. Pack of lightning bolt Roman candles. A rocket assortment from Fireworks City. Black Cat bottle rockets. I got some screaming cracklers by TNT. I got a fountain 25 shot Saturn missile, 4 packs, 100 shot Saturn missile. I have a 96 shot color pearl. We have some neon sparklers. Onto the 200 grams, I have Black Thunder by TNT, Nosy by World Class, Boiling Pump by Boomer, Great Naval Battle by Brothers, Touch of Class by World Class, That's Your Problem by World Class, Bling Bling by Brothers, Deadly Forces by Brothers, Grand Canyon by Brothers, Power Play by Boomer, Rowdy Rampage by Dominator, Diamondback by Dominator, G-Shock by Dominator, Instant Replay by Brothers, Night Vision by Brothers, Hit It by TNT, got 2 of those. Got a Epicenter by Dominator. Got another That's Your Problem. Got Loud Cloud by Dominator. And America Invincible by Brothers. I also have a Cherry Bomb artillery shell kit. And 3 500 grams. Big and Bold by Brothers. New World Order by Brothers. And Monster Scroll by Dominator. So yeah, this is my 2014 fireworks stash. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.